If loud noises causes meltdowns, your child's brain is registering them as painful and threatening. It's called as auditory hypersensitivity. Everyday noises like vacuums, hair dryers, and sirens trigger immediate fight or flight responses. These sounds aren't just annoying to them, they are physically painful. Their nervous system interprets them as danger. So build tolerance slowly. Play recordings of triggering sounds at low volumes while they are engaged in preferred activities. Gradually increase the volume over the weeks. What sound sends your child into immediate panic? Let me know.